Hi guys! Welcome back to the page, and this is Hannah again, and I'm back for another vlog. And for today's vlog, I'm gonna call it a Mother's Day special. So alam naman natin guys na malapit na ang Mother's Day, and i-celebrate natin siya soon. So I shoot this video beforehand, and para ma-upload ko din siya hopefully sa mismong araw ng Mother's Day. Ayan guys! And excited na ba kayo guys sa ating Mother's Day special? So guys, to be honest, hindi ako nakapag-prepare ng anything for today because actually hindi ko talaga plan na i-shoot today yung video na to. Pero sabi ko kasi sayang naman yung oras and nawalan din kasi ng internet. So, ayun, sabi ko, why not mag-vlog na lang ako for today and para hindi naman sayang sa oras. And baka makaipon ako ng maraming videos today at para marami din ako sa mga susunod na araw. Sa sayang ng oras, walang internet, hindi rin ako makapag-work, kaya gumawa lang tayo ng Mother's Day special. Ganon? So, ayun na guys. So, alam naman natin guys na Mother's Day, isa sa mga special holidays ng taon because we are trying to remember our moms. This is our mom's special day. Kasi syempre kung wala ang ating mga nanay, ay wala din tayo sa earth. Ganon! So, of course, this is very special and of course, this is our way of being able to appreciate and say thanks for all the efforts of our mom who take care of us and sobrang nahirapan natagin tayo for 9 months para lang mailuwag tayo sa mundo ito. Ganon. Kaya, ito ay para sa kanila. Ganon. And yun na guys, alam naman natin guys na we're all so busy and madalas natitaken for granted natin ang maraming bagay. And syempre, isa na din yun yung maipadama natin sa ating mga loved ones, especially sa ating mga moms, na mahal natin sila. So, pero para sa ating mga moms, yung mga simpleng bagay na ginagawa natin para sa kanila, I'm pretty sure sobrang na-appreciate nila. Simple text messages, simple hi, hello, and messages, and mapapaalala natin sa kanila, naaalala natin sila, and of course, not just sending messages, but also doing small things for them, like siguro pag-ubos ng pinggan, pag-ubos ng bahay, and maybe giving them gifts, or treating them out, or maybe making plans for travel, and stuff like that, and basta maraming ways tayo na pwedeng gawin para maparamdam natin sa ating mga loved ones, especially sa ating mga moms na mahal natin sila. So, I really hope guys na kayo din ay gumawa ng little bit, there's something special, kung hindi man kaya ng budget, siguro like special message na lang, like long message to your moms. I'm pretty sure ma-appreciate yan. Kahit ano pa yan, I'm pretty sure ma-appreciate yan. So, yun. So, just to explain lang guys, kasi di ba napag-explain before na I'm from like a complicated like family setup, and my mom and dad both have their own families, and so somehow lumaki din ako sa doon. So, sometimes for me, celebrating Mother's Day and Father's Day is kind of a little bit hard, and to be honest, nag-isipan ko nga maigi kung magawa ko ba ako ng Mother's Day special. Kasi sabi ko, ano may share ko wala naman ako masyadong na-share. Kasi, yun nga, ganun nga yung situation ko. So, yun. Kaya parang ang hirap sa akin na gawin itong vlog na to. Pero guys, syempre, my parents might not be perfect, and maybe I didn't grow up in a perfect environment, pero I'm pretty sure na there's so many things to be thankful for. Although may mga nararamdaman ako ng mga regret, what ifs, and of course, mga sama ng loob din. So, parang, I still try to remember all the good things naman din, which is, I'm gonna try to share in this vlog. So, I'm pretty sure that this vlog is gonna be, emotional din, kasi, this is a little bit personal naman din. And, of course, gusto ko naman din i-share sa inyo lahat, para lang, maliwanagan din kayo, and para malaman kung, where I'm coming from, and kung bakit ko nararamdaman yung mga feelings. Yun. And, yun nga, kagaya ng sabi ko, medyo mahirap sa akin for most of the time to celebrate Mother's Day kasi sometimes, parang nararamdaman ko rin kasi na parang minsan naalala ko yung mga shortcomings ng parents ko to me. So, parang minsan nalulungkot ako. Pero I still try to be thankful naman din na wala din yung mom ko or yung parents ko. Wala din ako ngayon. So, I still have to be thankful for that. And sabi nga po ng partner ko, kung hindi nagkakalala yung mom and dad ko, then wala ako, and then wala din siya partner. Ganon. So, yun. So, I have to be thankful for that as well. Mga parents natin, hindi naman sila perfect. And even my mom, she's not perfect as well. She had me when she's still very young. I think she's just at her 20s, I think, when she had me. So, I would say naman din na I would say that my mom is really brave for, choosing to have me at such young age. So, I have to be thankful for it as well. And of course, may time din kasi na dumating yung point na my mom met my stepdad, and she wanted to get married, and naintindihan ko naman din na of course she deserves naman din to have a long-term companion. So yun, at first maybe siguro nalungkot ako, pero at the same time eventually natanggap ko naman din na yung ganun yung situation. And I don't want to talk about mga sad things or mga negative things na nangyari. Pero siguro marami din akong regrets, and then siguro parang madalas lang naisip ko yung mga what ifs. So, what ifs kung naging kami talaga as one family, ano kaya nangyari sa buhay ko, or ano kaya ako as a person kung naging one family. So, yun naman, mga what ifs ko. Pero, syempre, di ba, si Lord naman is siyang plan for all of us. So, siguro kaya nangyari yan is for other things to happen. And kung hindi naman din na-meet ng dad ko yung asawa niya ngayon, na-meet ng mom ko yung asawa niya ngayon, probably wala rin akong mga kapatid. So, that's one thing that I have also to be thankful for. Although sometimes, di ba, may mga misunderstandings sometimes na nangyayari sa family, normal lang. Pero, syempre, sama is family. So, one. So, going back to my mom, so, yun nga, I really have to be thankful for her kasi syempre, nakakatakot na maging mom at that young age, 20, imagine mo, diba? So, what will happen sa future mo, or anong mangyayari sa'yo na naging nanay ka maaga. So, ayun nga, she's strong to choose to have me. Kasi syempre, yung mga ibang babae, hindi naman yun sila ganun katapang to keep the baby, diba? So, some of them, they let go older baby. So, I'm just happy that binigyan ng clarity ni God, yung mom ko, to have the strength to have it. So, I really have to salute her for being you. Thank you. Yun. And I'll be back for part 2.